Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Discord app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Click on Discord. We will go through this instruction in this video. Go on Discord's developer link. On Discord developer page. Click on New Application. Give an appropriate name for Discord. Click on Create. Here our Discord app has created. Now go on Auth 2 in left side panel. Here we need to add redirect URL. Go to instruction, copy redirect URL. Paste it in that field. Hit enter to save changes. Select redirect URL form drop down menu. Save changes. Now go back to general information. Click on copy to copy client ID. Paste it in app ID field. Copy client secret. Paste it in app secret field. Now save it. Click on test configuration. Authorize your Discord app. User attribute of Discord will get display here. Go to Discord icon. Here you will get option to enable and disable Discord icon. Open new tab, go on login page. On login form, click on Discord icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Discord attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.